Hi, good morning, everyone. I hope you all had a lovely night. Hey, hi, Ravi Karan. How are you doing? Good to know that you are doing absolutely fine. Everybody, whoever is here, please follow the instructions. Ravi, please share the token. Don't share the details here. If you can share the token, that will be the best thing you can do. Please share the token. Thank you, Ravi Karan. Ravi Kiran, thank you so much. Let me open your chart. Just hold on. I would like to let everybody know that this is Lacuna Astro's official channel, and we are not doing the typical astrology you get to see. We are a company, and I'm the one who has built a product also. that product you can use for your advantage. It's freely available, so feel free to use that. There are certain ground rules on this channel which you all need to follow. You must have your Lacuna ID created. That's the only way you can get my time. Ravi, I think what is your question, Ravi? Why are you here today? मैं सबको बताना चाहूँगा ये सेशन सिर्फ 1 घंटे के लिए है. 10 बजे ये सेशन बंद हो जाएगा, तो आप लोग प्लीज़ ट्राई करिए कि जल्दी से जल्दी इस समय को यूटिलाइज़ करें फॉर योर बेनिफिट. At 10 I would close the session. Ravi Kiran, if you can clarify why are you here, what exactly you want to ask. Last time when you came, you had a question about your career. Ravi, you are asking the same question. Did you check the application? Ravi, you are repeating the same question. So I would request you to go and check the application. The remedy for this problem is already given to you. I would not reiterate what I have already said to you. So my humble request is please follow please follow the application and just go and see what is the recommendation for you. I already told you that there is a strong possibility, and that may be coming somewhere before this November, right? Remedies are given, Ravi. They are already given, and I can see that they are available in the application. You can say that you are not able to see that I can understand, but if you say it's not given, then no, that's not true. So please go and you can just look at on my screen, and that will help you understand how exactly you can reach out to the remedies. So a small video is playing on my screen right now. You can go and see. It is there. It is in front of me. And a lot of people don't know how to see the remedies, so that's why they really don't get an idea. So I'm not responsible for that. I can just guide you. And tell you where exactly you can go and see the remedies in the application. But if you don't put your efforts and just say that कि नहीं sir दिख ही नहीं रही है, तो I can't help on that, right? So follow the video which is playing on the screen right now, just on top of me. Now inside your Kundali, if you go and look at the cross symbol which is coming here on top, now when you click on that cross, you will get to see all your remedies there. If you can just follow that instruction, Ravi, you will definitely get to see that. And I know you have come here with some expectation, right? So why would I give you false hopes? So please go and check that. Jyoti, there is a very specific process we follow on this channel. Jyoti, there is a very specific process we follow on this channel. You must follow those instructions. I can't help you without you following that. Yeah, your debts I can. I'm not a bank, right? So I can't loan you on zero interest. So lots of debts and all would only get resolved through money, right? If you wouldn't earn money, how exactly you are going to resolve your debts? You can't, right, Ravi? And I'm observing that there are a lot of people who think that astrologers are going to give them something which is going to just solve their all the problems, right? It is not the case, man. You have to first get into a job. Through that money you will just close your loans. That's the simple thing. It is nothing to do with astrology. It is a very straightforward simple thing. That is the way it has to happen. Now the remedies which are given to you are to just make you more aware and ready for the job. Now if you don't do that and you expect me to tell you something which is going to solve your problem, so that's a very childish thought. So please go and check that. Lokesh, please follow the instructions which is coming on the screen. Follow those instructions. If you can do so, well and good. If you can't, then I'm sorry, I can't help you. So please follow the instructions which are coming on the screen. Create your profile, share your token. And Ravi, that is very important. You must understand how it needs to be done. And I think last time also I told you, stop going and asking to the astrologers. The max they can do can just fool you, right? That is the end of it. Where they see that, oh, you are extremely desperate, the next game would be played and that would cost you money. So you just go and look for something which is extremely affordable and just do that. If you think that without doing you will achieve something, no, I doubt. And that doing is nothing but a call out, right? Where you are just committing yourself to do something. Asking and typing on keyboard is the easiest thing in today's world. Yeah. So coming here and asking something is the easiest thing you can do. But is that going to solve your problem? No. Mr. Patel. Hi, Mr. Patel. How are you doing? We have Mr. Patel with us. Guys, follow the instructions coming on the screen. Create your profile, share your token. Mr. Patel, please follow the instructions coming on the screen. The instructions coming on the screen are very important. Hey, hi Pankaj. So just to let everybody know, right, on this channel we don't do the traditional way of doing things, right, where you share your details, I go and quickly create your profile. Why the hell I would create your profile? Why would I do that? That's the reasoning I have built an application which is called Lacuna Astro, and that allows you to create your profile. Once you create your profile, I access your profile through a dashboard which is running at my end. So once your profile is created, you would be given a Lacuna token. That token is what you need to share with us here in the chat. Once that token is shared, I would go and access your profile at my end on my dashboard which I have built. Through that dashboard, I would be able to do a reading for you. This is the process we follow. If anybody can't follow that, I can't help. If you are willing to follow, wonderful, please go for it. So we need to stick to the process I have defined. I would not encourage anybody to invade that process and think of just getting my time without following the process. So that's not going to happen. It's my honest take on this. So my only request to you guys is that please follow the instructions which are coming on the screen here on top. As long as you follow this instruction, you would be able to generate your token, and a lot of people do that, right? So if you do so, well and good, I'm with you. So I'm waiting for the token. Anybody, whoever can create it quickly, I would love to talk to them. I see that there are 4 accounts created today. So I am waiting for you guys to share your token. As long as you wish to talk anything about yourself. If you are okay, because the application has a lot of content which you can access and enjoy. And even if you just read that carefully, you would not need anybody. That includes me also. So it allows you to ask around 45 different questions and gives you the answer for them also. If you have any doubts on that question, you can obviously come back and I am more than happy to answer you that. It also allows you to generate your LoshuGrid, numerological chart, do the Vastu analysis for your home. You can generate your mobile number report also. So there is a reporting section on the dashboard at the very bottom. Add your number to the profile and just generate your report, and you will get to know what exactly is happening because of the phone number, right? So that is also given to you. I also want you guys to understand, you came first, then the phone number came, right? So you came first on this earth and then the phone number came. So it's saying the phone number attracted you, I would say, is is partially correct. It is you who attracted that phone number. So phone number is basically reflecting what is coming for you, what is your true nature, what you may be experiencing. So some people say that changing that number would change your life. So I want to tell you one thing. Changing that number is nothing but a psychological thing you are doing, which ultimately, for example, you are using a phone for, let's say, from last 10 years. You suddenly switch to something else. And now when you switch to something else, your mind would always keep on reminding you, right? You changed it because you wanted to fix something. What you wanted to fix? The problem you had. So that's the logic behind it. There is no other science behind it where you are just changing your number and your life is getting miraculously changed. No, that's not the fact. So that myth is also debunked in the application. You can go, you can create your profile, you can get to see what is going on in your life. So it's not like that you are definitely going to get a change in your life just by seeing that or just by changing your number. So the philosophy is very straightforward. You do that just to make sure there is a psychological piece of you who understands this is the action which is being taken to overcome certain issues in your life, and that's how it works. So it's as simple as that. But if you really want to know what exactly is there for you in that number, you need to analyze that. So all the combinations which are there in your number are being analyzed, are being properly elaborated, and that's elaborated in two languages, Hindi and English. So whatever is your preferred language, you can go and read that. So वो दोनों भाषाओं के अंदर आपको उपलब्ध है. आप उन दोनों भाषाओं को यूज़ करके आराम से समझ सकते हैं कि what exactly is there for you and in your number. सो मेरा आपसे बस एक ही रिक्वेस्ट रहेगा कि आप जाइए उस फीचर को यूज़ करिए. उसके लिए कोई कोर्स करने की आपको ज़रूरत नहीं है, कोई वेबिनार ज्वाइन करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. ये वो चीज़ें हैं जो आपको फ्रीली अवेलेबल हैं. नाउ यू नीड टू बी सेंसिबल इनफ टू गो एंड ट्राई दैट. अगर आप उतना भी एफर्ट नहीं डाल सकते हैं तो फिर हु द हेल आई एम टू आस्क यू टू गो एंड डू समथिंग, राइट? आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू, जस्ट गो एंड अंडरस्टैंड योर सेल्फ. And the understanding you can achieve through the solution we have offered you, right? So आप उसको करिए. करने के बाद बताइए हमको what you felt. It's something which is freely available to everybody. Anyone who wants to use that can use. Please go ahead. It's my humble request. And once you download the application and create your profile, you also get a opportunity to share your token with us. So what do you need to do? You need to create it, and there is a video, right? This video is playing here, right? So when you see this video is predominantly trying to make you understand how exactly you can generate and copy the token and share it with me. So that is the process which is explained here in this video. So please follow this instruction and share your token. That is the best way you can get my time. I also want to be very clear that the session would close at 10 a.m. It is just a 1 hour session offered by Lacuna Astro for free to all the viewers, whoever are there available on the internet. And feel free to utilize this. Let your friends and family know that there is a channel, there is a product which is being built with an honest opinion, with no biased approaches. So there is no finance involved in this specific session. So anything and everything we discuss is very genuine. Even we don't ask anybody to go and subscribe, because we know if you find a meaning, if you find a value in this session, definitely you would go and subscribe. So that's the philosophy we have. Now my only request to you guys is to just understand and create the profile, share your token. Mr. Ramakrishna, please, I hope you heard me right? So I just explained how you can do that. So please do follow the instructions. I'm waiting for the token. We had just one token today, that is from Ravi Kiran. Hey, hi Shashi, how are you doing? And Shashi, we read your comments on the videos. It was quite. Um I mean, we felt that why are you doing that? So it was pretty uh, unconventional, right? You coming to the session, not following the instructions, and then going on the videos saying that why you ignored me is kind of quite childish, is what I felt, Shashi. So my only request to you is that please follow the instructions. If you don't understand English, then let me know. I can speak in Hindi also. But please follow the instructions. Just going there and commenting on the video why we ignored you is not going to solve the problem, right? We didn't ignore you. We just closed the session on time, and we do have a time bound session. It's not like other people who don't have anything to do, right, apart from going live on YouTube. So we do have a lot of other things to do at Lacuna Astro. So we have a very specific time bound session, and that is just for 1 hour. So anybody who is interested can utilize this 1 hour to ask their questions. And I'm not going to address anybody's question unless you follow the instructions, because this is my channel. I want to run it my way. It is not like you coming here and dictating the terms. So I dictate the terms. Again Shashi, you are doing the same mistake. शशि, आप दोबारा से वही गलती कर रही हैं बेसिकली. इंस्ट्रक्शंस यहाँ ऊपर आ रही हैं, ये देखिए ऊपर ये लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे, इसको पढ़िए. अकाउंट क्रिएट करिए, टोकन शेयर करिए शशि. इफ़ यू कांट डू दैट देन आई रियली कांट हेल्प यू. And guys, one more thing, you are making me speak the same thing again and again and not even reading the message which is coming on the screen. So that gives me a sense that you guys are not at all serious about what you really want to do. So the only point I want to be absolutely clear about, if you really want to get a consultation, follow the instructions which are coming here. Otherwise, go and try somewhere else. Meanwhile, I'll focus on something else. I'll wait for the token. Whoever is educated enough to follow the instructions can create their token and share it with me. This channel is only for the people who are educated enough to understand the instructions. Anybody who is not capable of understanding what I'm talking about should not be here. Perfect. This is just a 1 hour session. You guys can create your profiles and share it with me. Hello, Mr. Ramakrishna. Ramakrishna, please follow the instructions on the screen. मैंने जैसा कि आप लोगों को पहले बताया कि ये सेशन 1 घंटे के लिए है। अगर आप इस 1 घंटे में जो भी आपके क्वेश्चन हैं उसको अगर आप पूछ लेते हैं तो वेल एंड गुड, अदरवाइज आपको इवनिंग सेशन में आना पड़ेगा, दैट स्टार्ट्स एट 8। हेलो मिस्टर होप, हाउ आर यू डूइंग? If you guys are not clear about the purpose of this session, then read the title. That may probably help you understand what are we doing here. Not so good. How can I help you? निकिता, स्क्रीन पे एक इंस्ट्रक्शन आ रहा है, उसको फॉलो करो। आप लोगों को दिख नहीं रहा है क्या वो? आई डाउट इट इज़ देयर, राइट? ऑरेंज के ऊपर रेड लिखा हुआ है। आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल टू प्लीज़ फॉलो दैट। आई विल नॉट रिपीट द मैसेज अगेन एंड अगेन। इंस्ट्रक्शंस को जो फॉलो करके टोकन शेयर करेगा, दैट गाय वुड गेट माई टाइम। Good morning, Ramanji. I hope you are doing absolutely wonderful. My team should be here by 10:30 and they will guide you, Ramanji. So by 10:30 you can expect a message from our side and then we can speak. Guys, please do follow the instructions which are coming on the screen. This is very important for you all to understand what needs to be done. Hey, hi, hello, Mr. Gopal. How are you doing? I want you all to understand one thing, that the kind of questions you come and ask here, right, is something which is quite intense in nature, right? And uh, I'm good, Mr. Gopal. So that that intensity of the question sometimes has an ability to change the course of your life. Yeah. So now if you are trying to ask a question which has the ability to change the course of your life, don't you think you should be having a commitment there? And that commitment is very simple. That commitment starts by downloading the application, creating a profile. So that's the first step you have to take. Once you take that first step, I would be here to help you. If you can't even follow that practice, then that's a fair enough indication that you are not serious about what you are going to ask. So anybody who is here and seeking any sort of advice must follow the instructions which are there. The session would close in next 18 minutes. I would say please use this time to your benefit. In 18 minutes, if we get any token, then definitely we'll have a healthy discussion about it. Otherwise, you can come tonight at 8. Hey, hi Anish. Sonal, please follow the instructions on the screen. Sonal, there are instructions coming on the screen. Please follow them. I have also pinned the website URL where you can go and from where you can download your application. The proposition is very simple. If you can't follow the instruction, I can't help. Deepanjan, please follow the instructions coming on the screen. Guys, last 11 minutes. Amore, please follow the instruction on the screen. Is it so hard you guys can't even see that? What is making you why you can't see that? It is there in front of you, right? Amore, please please follow the instructions which are there on the screen. Amore, uh, if you can just read the message which is coming on the screen, right, is definitely going to help you. Please do follow that. Please do follow that instruction and share your token with me. I would request everybody to follow the instruction and stick to YouTube only. The phone number which is given there is only for the people who want to place an order, or in case if I request them to contact me offline. Folks, please do follow the instructions which are coming on the screen. Create your profile, share your token. As soon as you do so, I would start offering a reading for you. So once you share your token, and that token can be created within the Lacuna Astro application. How to do that? Where the app is available, you can read the message which is coming here on top, or you can open the link which is pinned in the message. Just open the link. It will show you the URLs of both the applications, Android and iOS both. Whatever is your platform, just go and download it. Create your profile, share your Lacuna token. So that Lacuna token is a lifetime token given to you. It allows me to update your profile with the remedies. It allows you to reach out to me with that token. So don't you think that token is going to be extremely useful for you? Urmi, please read the message which is coming here. You will get to know what I'm talking about. So please guys, read the message which is coming here. It is very important for you to understand. This is very important for everybody to follow the instructions on the screen. And please do not share your personal details here. Please do not share your personal details here. It is very important for you to make sure you are maintaining the privacy for you. I'll wait for 5 more minutes. If any token is not shared with me, then we'll close the session. The method is very straightforward, guys. You must follow the instructions which are coming on the screen. I have been putting considerable effort making you guys aware of what it means to protect your privacy, but we being Indians, right? We don't even understand what privacy means. So we just happily go ahead and give all our details to anybody whoever is there, right? So I would say that guys, please be careful what you are doing. And my point is very simple. If you can't follow the instructions, then it's very hard for me to really go and help you. Last 3 minutes to go. Anybody who is creating their profile, please do share with me. Otherwise, the next session would start at 8 p.m. tonight. You all can come there and we can definitely talk about it. I am going to do one more thing. Most of you already know, right? Our course is also coming, and that will be freely available on YouTube. So you can go and learn the basics absolutely free. So that is something which is coming for you very soon. We are also starting weekly predictions which are very precise as well. We'll try to make it as precise as possible, but most of you already know, right? Just blindly going and doing a prediction based on the lagna is not going to give you the right interpretation. But yeah, that is what a lot of people are doing. We'll try to be a little bit more different. How well we would be able to do that, you guys would justify that. So yeah. Guys, it's 1 hour now. I'll wait for the last 5 minutes. Guys, please follow the instruction. I'm not going to create your profile. I want you to create your profile. And how do you create that profile is very simple. So there is an instruction which is coming on the screen. You all can see that. I'm sure you all can see that. Please follow those instructions. There are no other ways I can help you with. Shivendram, I appreciate that you decided to subscribe, but my take is very straightforward, Shiven. Shivadarshan, my take is very straightforward. You must follow the instructions which are coming on the screen. If you agree to do so, I can wait for you for 5 minutes to allow you to go ahead, download the application, create your profile and share your token. If you are willing to do so, I will wait for you for 5 more minutes, 10 more minutes. But if you are expecting me to create your profile and then do a reading for you, so that's not going to happen. That's not the way we function here. I want you to download the application, create your profile and share your Lacuna token. That's the only way I can give you my time. And that's been the standard process we have been following here. And it's over I think 3 months we have been doing that. Then why the hell I would go ahead and change the process? I would not. So please follow that. Yes, Shivendram, Shivadarshan, you have to go download the application, create your profile. After creation of your profile, you will get a Lacuna Astro token, which is a lifetime token given to you for free. You can come with that token here in the live session, and then I have a dashboard where I can access your profile and do the reading for you. It's very straightforward and smooth way. Now once you share your token, I also go ahead and update the remedies or anything you want to discuss with me in future. That token is the only point through which you can connect with me. So that token is very important. And it is also very much important for us to enforce that token so that we can stop the spamming. Otherwise, look at this Amore. She has posted I think 4 or 5 times the same question without any token. So if I'm giving my time, I need to make sure I'm utilizing it in the best possible way, right? And that best possible way is to keep the cognitive load low and make sure people are following the process. So you go download the application, create a profile, share the token. Once the token is shared, we would be happily taking it forward. And that is the process we have been following so far. So I'm not going to do any changes in that, otherwise it is going to increase the influx of messages, which I think is not going to be helpful. Whoever is downloading the application, you can search for Lacuna Astro. And the app is available on Play Store and App Store, both the places. Once you download that, please do share the profile token that you get after creating your profile. So we are planning a session where we will talk about how to use the application, right? so that you can at least understand what is the way of having a token, and then how you can share that with us. It's very simple. We'll plan a session on that soon. Hey, hi, Olivia Shah. Olivia, follow the instructions, then only I can help you. There are instructions coming on the screen. You can follow that. Create your profile, share your token. Once you share your token, I would be able to do the reading for you. We are also introducing the pre-booking. So in the pre-booking for the live session, which is always going to be free, just to be absolutely clear about it, we are initiating a pre-booking session where you can go and book a live reading in advance. So when the session starts, you would not be expected to go and download the application during the session, where you have to leave the YouTube and then go and download the application. So we are working on that, where we would allow you to have a pre-booking. So you can book a 15-minute slot with me during the live session in advance. So when you come for the reading, you can just simply use that token and you would get your slot. So we are introducing pre-bookings now, and that is definitely going to help you. So anybody who is here right now must follow the instructions which are coming on the screen. That is the only way I can help you with. And this is not a channel where we would talk rubbish. This is a channel where we would talk something which is sensible, which is practical. And to do so, to get that level of discussion with you, the only thing you can do is follow the instructions which are there. Okay, folks, I don't think anybody is going to generate their token. You all think that I should have done it for you. So thank you so much for having that understanding. We are not going to create your profiles, not today, not tomorrow, never ever. This is something you have to do that for you. Once the profile is created, you need to share your tokens. This is the process we have been following, so we'll not change that. The process would remain as it is, no matter whether you create it or you don't create it. I understand there would be disappointment, but what can I do? So that disappointment is there, but what I'll do, I'll be available again at 8 p.m. tonight. You can come if you wish, and then we can try to do some reading for you. For now, the session is closing. If you are here to take a reading and if you didn't get time, so the only thing you can do right now is subscribe the channel and leave. Today at 8 p.m. the session would resume again. You can come and ask your questions. This is your host Anand. I'm the founder and CTO of Lacuna Astro. The product I requested you to download is built by me, and it is genuinely one of the best astrology applications available out there. If you have not yet tried it, I would request you to go ahead and try. With this message, I would like to close for the day, and we'll connect again tonight at 8. Till then, take care of yourself, guys. We'll speak soon. Bye.